Today, we're making some fancy avocado toast. First, take your bread and put it in the toaster. And while that's going, take your avocado and slice it in half. And make sure you're using a ripe avocado. And it's not brown at all, perfect. Next, we're gonna peel it. And then, after we peel it, we're gonna slice it. And this might take a few minutes or seconds, depending on how fast you slice. Now, take your toast and spread the butter on it. Butter goes good on everything, or so the butter gods say. Now take your avocado and be fancy. Fan it out on your knife and put it on the toast diagonally. Make sure you drop a piece of it into the butter as well. Then, cut it in half lengthwise down the middle of the avocado. Like I said, we're getting fancy. And now, I take my toast and I do a little crisscross applesauce kind of action. But no applesauce in this. Now, take your egg, slice it in half, and then cut those halves into slices. The idea for this is doing the same thing as we did with the avocado. We're going to put it on our knife, we're going to fan it out, and put it on each half of the toast. Or as best we can, as you can see. Next, after cleaning your mess, go ahead and salt, pepper, chia seed, sesame seed, and sunflower seed your toast. And look at that. Delicious. Enjoy!